Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study the class 4 English chapter number 3 environment. If you want the other chapters, you can see the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there, and you can also get EVS subject of class 4 all the lessons in my playlist channel. So let us start. Listen, recite and enjoy if a tree could walk poem. Poem is there in your textbook. You have to listen that and recite that, and you have to enjoy. Okay. Now what are the new words do you find in that poem? Here are the new words. I'll read for you. Chop. Chop means cut down. Kadidu haku. Dump. Fill in the vacant place with dirt or waste. Gudde haku. Protect, save. Rakshisu. Trash, something that is useless, waste. Kasakaddi. Okay, next. Speak, read aloud. Here, read the poem. Say what you would do to save environment. Use the words given in the bracket. In the bracket, words are given. Burst, kill, drive, dump in. So here you have to fill that blanks by using those words. Okay, here fill in the blanks are there. We will write the answers for that. I would grow more trees, but I would not chop them down. I would save river, but I would not dump in trash. I would ride a bicycle, but I would not drive a car. I would rear animals, but I would not kill them. I would light oil lamp, but I would not burst crackers. Okay, next, read the pictures and say about the weather. Weather, sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy. Now you have to read these pictures. You have to see these pictures and you have to fill the given blanks. Okay, first, it is sunny day, it is very hot. Second, it is rainy day, it is very cold. Third, it is cloudy atmosphere, it is very cold. Fourth, it is windmill, it is very windy. Now listen and say aloud. Complete the given words by adding two letters NG, CE, KE, TE, CK, CH and say them aloud. You may use letter more than once. DANCE, dance. PRICE, price. CRACK, crack. BRANCH, branch. SLATE, slate. STRIKE, strike. STRONG, strong. Next, sing and enjoy. While singing, you will find the rhyming words in the poem. You have to write it here. Okay. West, nest. Sigh, why? Now here one game is there, children. Look at the gold coins in the grid. A word is etched on each coin. Make a pair of coins which have the same sound. Example, weather, weather. Like that you have to search the same sound words. Okay. Okay, now I will tell you what are the same sound words. Two, two. Pair, pair. New, new. Break, break. One, one. Weather, weather. Which, right, right. Okay, next, you find words in the cloud. Some words mean to save environment and some mean to destroy environment. Separate them and write under the right column. Here some of the words are there. You have to write which is good for environment and which is bad for environment. Okay, good for environment: water, pond, lake, fresh air, forest, oxygen, rain, river, trees. Bad for environment: trash, smoke, plastic, truck waste, buildings. Now you have to enjoy the reading tree and river. Okay. Now read and write the answer. Write a letter on behalf of the tree and river expressing thanks to the government of India and post it. Fill in the blanks to complete the letter. Choose the words from those given in the bracket. Okay. Now answer. To the Chief Minister. Date you have to write. Government of India, sir, we are happy. You have saved us. We would like to express our thanks. You are faithfully, tree and river. This is the this is the letter from tree and river to the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Next, arrange the following in the order based on their size. Pond, ocean, well, sea, river, lake, stream. So you have to arrange this based on their size. Which is smaller, we will take that first. Well, pond, lake, stream, river, sea, ocean is the answer. Now arrange the letters in the order. Here whatever letters are there, they are not in the order. You have to arrange. TRFEOS, answer is FOREST. TETRLE, answer is LETTER. CLIHL, answer is CHILL. VRIRE, answer RIVER, river. RWOHT, answer THROW. UMPD, answer DUMP. HCEOK, answer CHOKE. EISHN, answer SHINE. TWCAH, answer WATCH. Now read the following words from left to right and right to left. They read the same. Find some more words from the dictionary. For example, level, peep, deed. If you will read from the right to left, LEVEL, level. If you will read from left to right, same LEVEL, level, like that, which are same from right to left, left to right. Okay, answer Anna, civic, dad, gadag, gag, madam, mom, noon, nun, poop, pop, refer, rotarer, rotor, tit, toot, tut. Okay, now look at the pictures. From each of them, frame a word that read the same from left to right and right to left. So here, dad, DAD, dad. Mom, MOM, mom. Madam, MADAM, madam. Civic, CIVIC, civic. Now here are some sentences. Split them to form meaningful sentences. Read them right to left and write the sentence. So here there is no space in between. We have to write it. Pull up if I pull up. Next, was it a rat I saw? Live not on evil. Now writing, look at the picture, write two sentences about each. See here children, here pictures are there. You have to write two sentences about this. Okay, this is spring, flowers have bloomed. It is summer, people rest under the tree. This is winter, leaves have fallen. This is a pond, it has dried up. Now, practice speech. Complete the dialogue by filling in the blanks. Choose the words from those given below. Say them taking roles. The words are strong, less, faster, more. Now you have to take the role and say. Balu is saying, hey look, Prakash is swimming faster than George. Somu, yes, George is not as strong as Prakash. Balu, Prakash is more trained than George. Somu, but George attained very less training session than Prakash. So this is about your communicative skill. Okay, now read the picture, write two sentences about each. So can you see here picture? Now we have to write two sentences. Suguna is riding a bicycle. She is carrying a dustbin. It's a sport cycle. The cycle has a dynamo. It is having full chain cover. Now again we will write in this. Ravi is watering plant with a pipe. Vijay is watering plant with a jug. For this picture we will write Prabhu is wearing a raincoat, Rohini is holding an umbrella. So for this picture we will write Catherine is driving a red car, she is driving at 60 km per hour. Now reduce, reuse, recycle. What is the meaning of this? See, meaning of some words are given. Read it and fill in the balloons with the right word. Reduce, use less. Reuse, use something again. Recycle, create something new from the old. Now glass bottles, plastic bottles, water, electricity, garbage, newspaper, battery, clothes, which we can reduce, which we can reuse, and which we can recycle. Water and electricity we can reduce using it. Glass bottles, plastic bottles and cloth we can reuse it. Garbage, newspaper, batteries we can recycle it. Okay, here one game is there. Here maze is given. Make a way to each letter. Visit a letter once, only once. Begin with a letter and come back to it at the end. Start with letter E and spell a word. Here one maze is there. You have to solve by yourself. So this is all about your lesson number 3. As I have told you, if you want the more lessons, you can see the playlist of my channel, and for further lessons you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.